Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Plug the data-capable USB cable into your Realme and the PC now. You need at least 20% battery, otherwise charge briefly. Once connected, unlock the phone and open settings. If you don't see USB options, enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times under About Phone. This unlocks advanced USB modes. Make sure the PC recognizes the device. Windows may install drivers automatically. If driver prompts appear, accept them so the phone and computer can communicate for tethering. Swipe down the notification shade to find the USB status and tap it to view options. Choose File Transfer to expose tethering settings if necessary. Next, go to Settings, then Connection and Sharing, and locate USB tethering, toggle it on. The phone will share its mobile data connection with the PC through the USB link. You'll see a new network adapter appear on the computer. Make sure mobile data is enabled on the phone because USB tethering shares that cellular connection rather than Wi-Fi. Once tethering is on, confirm the computer shows a new wired or local area connection and load a web page to test. If you don't get internet, turn USB tethering off and on again, swap to a known good data cable, or try another USB port. Many problems trace to hardware. If the PC lacks drivers, install Realme drivers or update through Device Manager. When all else fails, reboot both devices and retry. This clears temporary USB stack problems and usually restores tethering.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.